You are cruising down the interstate and your vehicle just feels inconsistent. One moment the boost is there, the next it lags, or the power delivery feels wavy and unpredictable. If your diagnostic tool reads P004B, you have a turbocharger or supercharger boost control B circuit range performance fault. This is not a dead circuit like the other codes. This is a performance mismatch. It means the turbo is working, but it is acting lazy, getting stuck, or not moving fast enough to satisfy the computer's requests. This is incredibly common on high-mileage diesel trucks, where soot buildup is a major factor. The code refers to circuit B, which usually implies a secondary turbo in a twin-turbo setup or a specific control circuit in the harness. When the PCM commands the turbo vanes to close to build boost, it watches a position sensor to confirm the movement. If the computer asks for 80% closure, but the sensor only reports 40%, or if it takes 5 seconds to get there instead of 1 second, this code is triggered. It is basically the computer saying, "I told you to move and you are not listening fast enough." Symptoms include sluggish acceleration, lower fuel economy, and a fluctuating RPM while cruising. The most common cause for this range performance code is physical resistance. The vanes inside the turbo exhaust housing get caked with carbon and soot from thousands of miles of driving. This friction makes them sticky. Even if the electronic solenoid is pushing hard, the vanes physically cannot move smoothly. It can also be caused by a weak solenoid that is electrically fine but mechanically tired, or a small leak in a vacuum line if your actuator is vacuum-driven. To fix this, you need a scan tool that can graph data, watch the desired boost position versus the actual boost position while driving. They should match almost perfectly. If the actual line lags behind the desired line, you have a sticking issue. Before replacing the turbo, try disconnecting the linkage arm and moving the vanes by hand. They should feel smooth as butter. If they feel gritty or hard to move, the turbo needs to be removed and cleaned or replaced entirely. Sometimes, simply performing a turbo cleaning service or driving the truck hard with a heavy load can help burn off the carbon and restore the range of motion, clearing the code without buying any new parts.